Oh my goodness, I just did the whole video and wasn't taping. Oh, happy Saturday. So it is Saturday and I am looking like it's Saturday and I am doing some knitting, and I got a package from Beaverslide Dry Goods. So let me show you that. So it's beaverslide.com and they sell yarn and it is very reasonably priced. So I got two of this color, which is just a gorgeous sage color, and it has a little tag on it. It says Beaverslide Dry Goods Mule Spun Yarn, and it says yarn made from soft merino fleeces grown on the Montana Rocky Mountain front on our family-owned ranch. It's processed in Canada where it's spun on an antique spinning mule. You get 4-ounce hank of 2-ply worsted weight, 90% merino, 10% fine kid mohair, 241 yards. And this is in the color Lichen Frost. And these were $13.95 each. So I got two of those. I think this color is really pretty. My husband, I think, will like this. I'm thinking of doing something for him in those. And it's got a lot of depth to it. You can see some like lighter colors. It's just really pretty yarn. And then I got, let's see, I'm just going to read it from here. So those are 2-ply. These are 3-ply. This is McTaggart Tweeds and Heathers, 4 ounces, 3-ply heavy fisherman weight. This is 100% merino and it's 150 yards in the color Autumn Poplar. And it is a gorgeous autumn pumpkin color. Just super pretty. Lots of depth. It's almost tweedy. How it has the different colors, like even a maroonish color. It's beautiful. Then I got another yellowy color. This is a 2-ply worsted weight of Delane Merino. And this is in the color Aspen Gold. This is 241 yards, and this was only $12.95 for this hank. And it is a beautiful gold color. I don't think my camera's picking it up very well. Maybe right there. It's just beautiful. And then I also got this lavender color, which is called Mountain Twilight. And this is 2-ply worsted weight, 90% merino, 10% fine kid hair. And it is 241 yards. This retailed for $13.95. And it is a beautiful lavender with little specks of like some deeper purple and some lighter purple and even some blue. And these two colors together would be really pretty for my daughter for her college. And then lastly, I got this one, which is Marsh Sedge color, and it is the McTaggart Tweeds and Heathers, so it is the same as this one, and those look very pretty together as well. And again, this is in the Marsh Sedge, and this one retailed for $13.50, but you can see all of the beautiful colors in here. So pretty. I don't know which one my husband is going to like better, this one or this one. He might even like them together. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with them, but I was thinking of him when I picked out these colors. Green is his favorite. I kind of like this one better. Maybe I'll start working on a hat or something. But that's that. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and check out Beaverslide Yarn Company.